Making YouTube TV speed faster or slower is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, search for and install a browser extension like Video Speed Controller for Chrome or Video Speed Controller for Firefox. Then, go to the YouTube TV website and start playing the video you want to watch. Once the video is playing, you should see options from the extension to control the playback speed. Typically, you can increase or decrease the speed using keyboard shortcuts or on-screen controls provided by the extension. If you have the video file downloaded, you can use a VLC media player to control playback speed. Download and install VLC if you haven't already. Open VLC and load the video file you want to watch. While the video is playing, you can adjust the playback speed using the playback controls in VLC. You can increase or decrease speed using the options available in the playback menu.